Hi guys, so Alan's behind the camera today, so you get me, but we are heading to Paramin to check out Fitzy's wings. Some of our family members told us about it, so we're gonna head up there now. So come along with us here on Trini Surfer.
Hi guys, thank you for having me today. So where are we?
We're in Paramin. Welcome to Paramin at Fitzy's Grill.
Right, I'm looking forward to it. Wings galore.
Yes.
Nice, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming up.
No problem.
Hi, I'm Fitz. Welcome to Paramin. We're actually at Fatima Junction, where I have my grill, Fitzy's Paramin Grill. It's also where I was born and I grew up here. My parents live right above us there. My father is 92, my mother 88. And yeah, you know, like during the pandemic, my job actually dried up, so I had to find something else to do, and hence the reason I started the grill. You know, I had some recipes that I kind of perfected over the years, doing family vacations, weekends down the islands, Mayaro, and you know, my family will always critique me and you know, let me know. And eventually they were telling me that, you know, you have a product here, I would drive up there to buy it, to eat it, you know. And yeah, did my sauces, my wings, and did my burgers. Here I am with Fitzy's Paramin Grill. Yes, come and check us anytime. The wings are good, my burgers are good.
And the drive ain't too bad.
The drive ain't too bad. The scenic is amazing. The scenery is amazing. You know, I had friends came up here and they say, man, we had to find a place for you in Tong.
Yeah,
you
I'm sure you'll eventually get one in Tong as well.
Probably
too.
that's the aim, you know, eventually, yes. But you know, the base will always be the base.
Yes.
And Paramin have its charm.
Nice.
You know, and local tourism is just since COVID, you know, it's just boosting, it's booming.
Yeah.
So come up anytime, you know, and stop and check us out.
Well, thank you for having us. Let me go and lick down some wings.
Let's go and lick down some wings. You know, and thanks for coming up.
Yeah, brother.
You know.
I have no pictures here today. Nice. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, my boy. What's your name?
Vlad.
Vlad?
Vlad, yeah.
Nice. And you are the master chef?
Oh yes.
Would you say you have one of the best wings up here?
Oh yes, we do.
Is it because you cook them or why is that?
Because I'm loving them.
Love. Plenty love.
Plenty love. That is the secret ingredient.
I'm going
to
looking
my
for. I want to taste that love. Spicy love.
I hear.
Spicy love?
Oh yes. The spiciest and hottest love it have.
Oh God, I like that. Well, blessings, my brother. Excited.
Yes. Yes, my brother.
Just zoom in. What you do is zoom in from here and then go out.
Zoom out.
This is barbecue and fries for Randall.
Barbecue and fries.
And this plain buffalo.
This is barbecue, right?
These are plain wings here for Alan.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is good.
Thank you, sir. We're looking forward to it.
You're welcome.
Finger looking good. I don't think I can say that.
No, you can't.
It's already on thing. So what are you eating, Randall?
Barbecue wings and fries.
Barbecue wings. And this is one of the couple of flavors they have here. Can I get a little close up of it there? Just hold it still there.
Absolutely delicious. And the barbecue sauce is the best.
The best?
And the pepper sauce, and the garlic sauce, and there's nothing wrong to say. Everything's fantastic.
That's a good description.
God.
So Ian, what are you eating there?
Paramin buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings
Fitzy's.
from Fitzy's. I'm getting in.
Real good.
And
Nice
Fitzy's,
flavor.
he makes his own sauce.
Homemade sauces.
All the sauces.
Buffalo sauce, garlic sauce, barbecue sauce.
Lovely. Nice.
I'm having these sweet and tangy wings from Fitzy's Paramin Grill.
Yeah, I'll take a taste.
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
Very good.
Rule it wrong. Yum. Talking about my husband is just
okay.
in
It's
there.
fine?
Yeah, anything you want.
Okay.
Well, go ahead.
You can bite it.
Yes, you can bite it.
Okay.
Coffee garlic is good, huh?
Very good.
Thanks for coming at Fitzy's Paramin Grill. Come again. Yay!